Alright guys, a quick one. Here, you learn how to deactivate Threads account. So if you want to deactivate your Threads account for a while, maybe you're going on vacation or you want to take a break from Thread and now you want to deactivate your account, then here is a video for you. So here in this video, you learn a simple step you need to take to deactivate your Thread account. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the Threads app on your phone. This could be on your Android and it could be on your iPhone. Now, once you open the Threads app, make sure you select the Threads account you want to deactivate. If you have multiple Threads accounts, you can see here I have two different Threads accounts on the Threads application. So make sure you select the Threads account you want to deactivate. Then once you selected it, go ahead and click on the menu icon at the top right. Then you'll be taken to your Threads account settings. On settings page, scroll down and click on account. Once you selected account, then it should say deactivate or delete profile. So click on that. Here you have deactivate your profile, which is temporary. Then delete is permanent. So if you want to deactivate your Threads account, just go ahead and click on deactivate profile. Then you should put access, are you sure? If yes, go ahead and click on deactivate. Then you should say processing. Then this is going to log you out of the Threads account. And then if you have multiple Threads accounts on your Threads app, then you're going to see the former account logged out and then the new account will be turned on. So that's exactly what you need to do if you want to deactivate your Threads account. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.